pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain.
Making clotted cream in the microwave. For this you will need double cream, a microwavable dish and a microwave. Pour the clotted cream into the dish. Put the dish into the microwave. And zap on full power for 5 minutes. Repeat a couple more times. Now it should be bubbling at the top like it is. Be reduced. To check if it's done, put some on a plate and put it in the freezer for 5 minutes to see if it sets. Now let's see if it's set. Yes, that looks okay. So put it in the fridge overnight for the whole thing to set properly. The recipe is from Pants Down, Aprons On. His last one worked, so this should too. There's the cream. I think it's a bit hard. Maybe 10 minutes in the microwave instead of 15. Let's try it anyway. It tastes fine. 8 out of 10.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.